Hello, and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, let's make some strawberries. Period. So the first thing we're going to do is get our strawberries in our strainer, and we're going to give them a really good wash. When washing my strawberries, I like to use Veggie Clean. Cannot go wrong with the Veggie Clean. It gets the job done every time. So we're going to just give a couple of sprays and we're going to toss it really good. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and rinse it off, period. So once you give them a little toss and turn, you want to make sure that you coat all your strawberries. And then we're going to rinse them. This is how I clean my strawberries. A lot of people like to just use water, and that's fine. You can use that too. It gets the job done. But I like to use the Veggie Clean. Once I clean my strawberries, I'll go ahead on and dry them off and let them sit out to dry just for a little bit. This is the chocolate we're going to be using today. This is the best chocolate I feel to use when dipping strawberries because it's super fluid and it tastes really good. It's really easy to melt this chocolate. Just break it up. And that's all we're going to do. Break it up, put it in a trusted bowl, a safe bowl for the microwave, and it's all good and ready to go. We're only going to microwave the chocolate for about a couple of minutes, first starting off with 90 seconds. So when you start off with your chocolate, you'll be looking at something in this consistency. So we'll pop it back in the microwave and get it a little bit more melted until it gets to the consistency that it needs to be. Here's a good consistency, but I still see some bits and pieces of chocolate. So I'm going to stir it up as much as I can. And then place it back in the microwave for another 15 seconds. Once I'm done popping it in the microwave for those increments and stirring, this is the final product. And it looks really good and fluid and ready to go. This chocolate is also really, really good for coloring. It holds its color and it doesn't seize up. Make sure when you're coloring your chocolate that you definitely use gel food coloring. Do not by any means use the liquid food coloring. Always use gel. That way your chocolate will be a good vibrant color, a good consistency, and it'll still be easy to work with without seizing. So today I went with a pink because that is the theme I'm going for. It was Valentine's Day, so I wanted to do something really light, really vibrant. Some slight and polite, period. So we went with the pink today. And the pink came out really, really cute. So I always try to pull my strawberry hub to the very, very top so that I can grip it really well when dipping. This helps with the dipping process for sure. So whenever I dip my strawberries, I try to cover as much as the strawberry as I possibly can. All the way up to the very top. That's the way that I like to dip mine. A lot of people like to kind of go halfway, and that's fine too. Whatever your preference is, but this is my preference. Once I dip my strawberries, I place them down right on that parchment paper, honey. And that's the method that I continue to use during my strawberry dipping process. And look at that color. Isn't it vibrant? And the chocolate is so fluid. Like, I don't have any issues. I never have any issues with using this chocolate. I think it's the best. It's my favorite chocolate to use while dipping my strawberries. I don't know what brand you guys use, but please leave a comment. This is some sanding sugar that I'll be using to sprinkle over my strawberries. I'll also be using these pink sprinkles as well. And here are some really, really cute heart-shaped edible sprinkles that I'll be using for my strawberries. So once I dip my strawberries, while the chocolate is still wet, I go ahead and put a generous amount of the sprinkles onto the strawberry. And this is how it's going to look. So cute, so pretty, and I love that color. And it's just shiny and very vibrant. So that's why I went with the pink. And I continue to do that with all of my strawberries. You guys can get as creative as you want to. Just go all out. Another thing that I can definitely say about this chocolate is that it doesn't need any type of manipulation. A lot of chocolate decorators and bakers, they need to use, depending on the chocolate, oil or oil crystals to make the chocolate fluid. And you don't need to do any type of manipulation with this chocolate. And that's why I really like this chocolate. It's super cost effective as well. I also want to show you guys how it's going to look with the pink sprinkles so you can get a quick visual of that. And I do it the same way. I go ahead and dip the strawberry, and while the chocolate is still wet, I sprinkle a generous amount of the sprinkles over my strawberry. And this is how it's going to look. Super cute, vibrant. I don't cover the whole entire strawberry with the sprinkles because it's going to be sitting down. So I put as much sprinkles as I can on top just to cover the whole top of the strawberry. And I place it down. So now I'm going to show you guys how I make my piping bags. It's super easy if you follow these tips. It's so easy. So what I'm going to do is take a piece of parchment paper and cut it in half down the middle so that I can have two parts. And with the two parts, I'm going to make two cones, one for the white chocolate and one for the pink chocolate. So I hold the parchment paper like so, and then I go ahead and bring the ends to the middle towards the bottom. I do that with both sides, and then I pull it down from the back so that we can get it tight so we can have a nice little tip and a cone shape. And once I do that, I just fold the very top of the paper on the inside. And there we have our piping bag, period. So now I'm going to proceed to pour the chocolate into my piping bag. One thing you definitely don't want to do is overfill your piping bag. And these are the strawberries that we're going to be piping on our drizzle with. And it's going to be super fun. Trust me. This is the part where I go ahead and clip the end of my piping bag. I don't want to clip it too big because I don't want too much chocolate coming out. I want it to be nice and fluid like so. And then we're just going to go ahead and drizzle the chocolate on top of the strawberries. And I just love this color. It's so vibrant and cute. This is the finished product, guys. This is the end result. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love the colors. Guys, this is how I package my strawberries. I use these small pastry cups. I normally use these for my mini cupcakes or small pastries, but this is what I'm going to be using to place the strawberries on. Here is a box that I'll be using that I ordered off of Amazon. Super cute, super easy to assemble. I also have some plastic containers that I was thinking about using, but I think I just went on ahead and went with the cardboard boxes that I ordered off of Amazon, and they came out really, really cute. So it's not going to be too many strawberries going into these boxes. I'm only going to place about 3 in here per box. You could do 4 depending on the size of your strawberries, but I'm only going to do 3 strawberries per box. Just something cute, something slight, something polite. I'm going to pass these out at work and to family members and friends just for a small little happy Valentine's Day gift from me to you. Well, from me to them, period. So the box is super easy to assemble, and that's what I'm doing here. Assembling the box, getting it together so that I can go ahead and start my packaging process. Once I get all of my strawberries in the box, this is the end result. Isn't that cute? Yes, I love that. Oh, child, Miss Thing got tired. Miss Thing started to sit down because Miss Thing was tired, honey. I was at work today. I had to take a break, child, and sit it on down. But this is the end result. These are the strawberries. This is the packaging. And I think they came out super, super cute. If you follow my tips and my steps, yours will too. They may not look exactly like this, but I'm sure they'll look close to it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I really hope you learned a lot from this tutorial. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Period.